In this week's parsha, we have a verse as follows. The Torah tells us that Hashem says, behold, look, I gave over to your hand Sichon Melech Heshbon Hamori, Sichon, the king of Heshbon, the Amorite. That is a simple explanation of the verse. Comes the Stratton Rebbe, and he says a very Hasidic touch explanation of how you read these words. With a little bit of an introduction, 1 minute introduction, that is, there's a concept that sometimes, for the purposes of learning, you can substitute a letter in the Torah. Now, the rules, which ones you can substitute. But over here, we're going to substitute the samach from the word sichon, and we're going to use, instead of a samach, a sin. You know, like we have shin and sin. So that is a perfectly legitimate substitution. For example, Shlomo, we have the sota, the wayward woman, right? Where does the word sota come from? Because nechnas bo ruach shtus, she entered into her mind this spirit of stupidity. So she's called a sota based on shtus. So you see clearly that you can interchange a sin and a samach. So with that in mind, this is how you read the pasuk. Hashem says as follows: See, I gave over to your hands, not sichon, but sichon, the ability to speak. Sichon means to talk. But you know what? We gave it to you, but you're supposed to use your talk only for good things, for Torah, for chesed, but not chas v'shalom, heaven forbid, for any Devarim asurim, for any forbidden talk. Where do you see this? Look at the rest of the pasuk. Melech Heshbon ha'amori. There is a Hashem who will make a calculation on your amori, on your talking. Maybe you could say it a little bit different also. Same idea, but you can twist it a little bit different. See, Hashem says, I gave over, Sichon, you're talking, but you know what? You should be a melech, you should be a king, and with that kingdom over yourself, you should make a cheshbon ha'amori, you yourself should make a cheshbon, a calculation of your talking. And you yourself should realize this idea that the ability to speak was given to a person in order to learn Torah and do mitzvos with the ability to speak. A good Shabbos, everyone.